That intellect, your intellect was like, yeah. And I commend it. I also am very, very grateful for my intellect. But I also want to recognize that it can also work against you. Yeah. And that's what we'll do this little demo for. Okay, so we'll do a little math test. Okay, and you shout out your answers aloud. Okay, everyone good? What is 3 into 3? Loudly. Otherwise I won't know if it's the right answer. Okay. What is 4 into 4? 3 into 4? 5 into 6? Awesome. Shall we notch it up?
Yes.
Okay. What is 19 into 21?
399.
Well done. How did you do it?
So for 19 into 20, then 19 into 2.
Awesome. So he used a process. Now somebody might also use a square minus b square, 20 square, 400 minus 1. Both processes. You might use another process. You can use pen and paper. I didn't say don't use. What I want you to know is you used a process to do multiplication and you knew the process. Before that, when I asked 5 into 6 is 30, do you know processes to do that also? By addition, multiple ways. Did you use it? No. Why? Innocent programmable device. Repetition, you repeated it so much, maybe as blind ratta, or maybe you just use it in your math, in the sabji dukan, everything. As you use it again and again, the brain is always trying to help you. It says, you're using this again and again, this is very important to you, I'll put the lipids on it. And make it strong and fast. Strong and fast is good, like a flyover. But not always. Let me tell you why it's not always good. I need a volunteer, someone at the back who likes attention. Awesome. You put a hand before I said likes attention. Okay, lovely. So I'm going to ask her a very difficult math question. As she answers, I want everyone else to observe her face. That's your task. Yeah? Are you ready? What's your name?
Nivedita.
Nivedita. Okay? Okay. Are you ready, Nivedita? What is 7 into 7?
49.
Okay, so I heard the answer. I won't immediately tell you if it's right or wrong. But I'll tell you some of the parameters of this game. Speed doesn't matter, accuracy matters. And you can take help. You can ask anyone.
Glad sitting here.
You can use notebook, pen, you can even use your phone a friend, anything, right? So I'll ask you again. 7 into 7.
49.
Okay, are you sure? Do you want to ask any help? I'll give you one more chance just to be sure. 7 into 7.
Oh, I'm confident.
49? Yeah. Okay, let's give her a round of applause. I can also tell you something about her nature. She's very sweet and good natured. Sometimes when I do this exercise in a room, and there is a bit of gender here in my own experience, so I'll just give it as stats. Please don't beat me after this. Especially, and there's also, if there's this like CEO types, MD, very powerful person, alpha male person in the 50s, 60s and all, and sometimes I choose them and I ask them and I keep asking 7 into 7, are you sure? No. They get angry. How dare you? तुम्हारी औकात क्या है? Like I've come, how dare you? So whether it is the sweet, amused, she was amused confidence, or the तुम्हारी औकात क्या है to question me, both are variations of confidence, no? Both are variations of confidence, right? Both have the same biological roots. That lipid, the fat that is on those connections in the brain, bus, वो वहीं से confidence आता है. And where did that fat and lipid get into the brain? Repetition. That's why I say innocent programmable device. Go and ask anyone who does advertising and marketing. How many times will they show you the program, the advertisement? छोटा वाला, ये perfume पहनो, सुंदर लड़कियां आएंगे. I don't know, ये करो, नौकरी मिल जाएगी, ये करो, life set हो जाएगी. All of the simple associations again and again and again. That's conditioning, that's programming. Now, let's go back to second standard school again. Not have answers. What about failure? What were we taught as failure? Yesterday there was an impact conference at IIM Bangalore on impact failures. Beautiful. So much of reframing of failures. But were we taught that in school? And it's not natural. How do I know fear of failure is not natural? It's conditioned because look at the toddlers. How many of you have children? When they started learning to walk, any toddler crawling, what happens? Fall. Does the child say, "Arey, shame on me. I failed, I let my parents down." No, no drama. It's just like child doesn't know no success and failure. Just like ऐसा नहीं हुआ वैसे try करते. That's called failure's feedback. Prototyping. Attempt again. चलो आज बहुत हो गया कल try करते हैं. Some kids will say 1 महीने के बाद try करते हैं. कोई बात नहीं, try तो करते हैं. Eventually सब चलते हैं. Some are like me, they'll be walking like holding thin things and मम्मी को डरा देंगे, but they will try. But that is our inbuilt understanding of failure. But we go to school and failure, red line, avoid. So we go through school life and now we bring it, because remember, it's the early conditioning. That's when we learn to drive, and that program is still driving us. Avoid failure, red light, avoid, gatha hai, avoid. So we are steering our life and career and work, all our decisions through the subconscious mind on the algorithm of avoid failure. What's the easiest way to avoid failure? Keep doing what you're doing. Will it help you in innovation? Will it help you in having a growth mindset? And then you come to workshops like me and I can make a living out of it. Teaching you what you already knew as children because of all the conditioning that we went through in early childhood. Okay?